Iran and six major global powers reached a preliminary nuclear and sanction relief deal. Crude oil futures barely reacted, but what's interesting is the equity reaction as the oil producers traded down off the news. From TheStreet's Wall Street headquarters, I'm Jill Malandrino along with Knuckman of Trading Advantage from the floor of the CME Group. Alan, it seems as if the futures market priced this in a couple months ago when reports trickled in that Iran was coming to the negotiation table. So, is that really the case, and why is it so important to keep an eye on the commodity markets and the underlyings following announcements like this?
Well, I think this might have been the final capitulation, or hopefully it could be, here in the crude oil market, because it went down to 93.08 in the futures yesterday with that push, but it ended up only being down 75 cents on the day. So, like you said, it was a very muted reaction. But we've been trading essentially sideways now for going on 12 or 13 sessions in about $1.50, $2 range in the crude oil market. So the good news for the bulls, anyways, that it's not going lower, even though it hasn't moved higher yet.
Right. So, how come the oil stocks reacted differently than what the underlying? Is it because it's a futures product? Where was that disconnect there?
Well, the crude oil obviously is not going to have any direct impact. We're not actually buying oil from Iran, and it's really not going to change the dynamics in this, as far as world supply and demand. So I think it's a bigger picture idea. Maybe the oil suppliers have some sort of angles, and they maybe want to get back into that country as far as production goes. So I'd have to look into that more. But to get back to crude oil, because that's where I look at an opportunity right now. Like I said, we've been trading sideways at its lower end of the range. 95 is kind of a pivot level. If you look, the market in the last year has gone from 85 to 105. So we're right here in this middle range. So we'll see if we can get back above 95, which is very important, and get some legs under it.
From the floor of the CME Group, Knuckman of Trading Advantage.